Hello and welcome to our tutorial on ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the world of conversational AI and how it is revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. But first, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It's been trained on a massive dataset of text and is capable of understanding and generating human-like text. This allows it to answer questions, engage in conversations, and even write creative content. Let's see how you can start with ChatGPT. To start off, you can just Google for ChatGPT and open up the first result that comes up from OpenAI. Here at the top, you can see this line introducing ChatGPT research release with an option to try it. You can click on the try button to start ChatGPT. This will open up the ChatGPT screen with an option to log in or sign up. If you don't have an account already, you can click on sign up, where it will then open up a new screen and ask for your email. You also have the option to get started with your Microsoft account or Gmail account, but we'll be creating a new account using email. So just enter your email and click on continue. Then enter your password for the new OpenAI or ChatGPT account and again click on continue. The screen will load for a couple of seconds and then you'll need to verify your email. Just open up your email and look for a mail from OpenAI. Make sure to check your spam folder as well for the email if you haven't received it. Then just open up the mail and click on verify email address. This will open up a new screen where you need to add some more information including your first name and the last name. And then you'll need to verify your phone number. You can opt to get the verification code via WhatsApp as well. Enter the code to verify your phone number and you are all set to start playing with ChatGPT. Now the ChatGPT should load automatically, but if it doesn't, you can again go back to the OpenAI page and click on try button again to launch ChatGPT. When you open up ChatGPT for the first time, it will present you with some useful information which you can read and then click on next to get started. Now this is how the console of ChatGPT looks like. You have a text input box at the bottom where you can enter anything to chat. Let's try a few examples to see what all can be done by using ChatGPT. You can ask it to write a poem for you. It will write a beautiful poem especially for you. You can also do a continuous conversation and it keeps track of the previous conversation to maintain that context. You can also ask ChatGPT for ideas to throw a great party set. Cool, right? You can ask ChatGPT to write your out of office meals when you are feeling a bit under the weather. Wow, this is the best out of office meal I've seen so far, and I'm definitely going to use it from now onwards. Some random details about the story, like the characters or theme or anything, and it will create a story around the information you provided. And if you're not happy with the response or want to try out multiple things, you can just click on regenerate response and it will create a totally new response for you. As you can see, ChatGPT is able to understand and respond to a wide range of inputs. It is not just limited to answering questions. It can also be used to generate creative writing, summaries, and translations. The possibilities are really endless. To access ChatGPT, you can use the OpenAI API. This will allow you to easily integrate ChatGPT into your own applications and projects. Do let me know in the comments if you would like to learn more about it. That's it for our introduction to ChatGPT. We hope you found it informative and that you are excited to explore the world of conversational AI. Thanks for watching.